All right, so in just this segment, we're going to be talking about creating sub interfaces on a router. Okay. Okay. So we'll make this full screen. We're going to go to remember enable. All right. I hit tab all the time. Remember enable, and I'm going to go to configure terminal tab. Replace it right. And remember how we go into interface? I always say that we're like Miss Frazzle on the Magic School Bus. Interface, I type in IN, hit tab, gigabit 0, Ethernet 0.0, and we're in the interface. Now, this is a real interface. This is not a virtual interface. We're going to create 4 virtual interfaces. So I'm going to just turn this one real interface on. Notice right now. All right. And now it's on. Okay. I hit my up tab, my up key, arrow key. All right. Up key, and I can actually go so right, interface 0, 0. Okay. To add a sub interface, I'm going to put 0.10. Okay. It comes on. I'm in. Now I'm in. Notice it says right here, get router config sub IF. So that's sub interface. Okay, I'm going to configure this sub interface. What else am I going to do? I am going to say description. Right. VLAN. I usually go with VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40 when I'm creating VLANs because VLAN 1 on a switch can't be edited or renamed or deleted. And I want to start over again with numerically with 10, 20, 30, 40, which is going to be, in my mind, is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now we have interface. We created this interface. I want to put an encapsulation, which is the trunking protocol DO2 1Q10. I put a 10 after that, and then I hit enter. Okay, and then now I can put an IP address. (192.168.1.1). 255.255.255.192. Remember, this is a different subnet mask than we're doing because we now have subnetted our /24 network that's in the whole scenario. Okay, create that, right? And then let's just exit. All right, I'll go down. I'll type in show run, and I get to see how the configuration is running. And look, I did a pretty good job. I have my gigabit Ethernet interface is on. Okay, I have a 0.10. I have a description of VLAN 10. I've also put the encapsulation, which makes this line a trunk, and IP address 1.1 with a 255.255.192 address. Okay. Remember, we did sub interfacing, right? And we're going up. Let's see, sub interface. And we got to create the rest of them. We're going to give the other one the 4 addresses. Let's do it one more time. All right. So we're going by 64. Remember, because we split that network into 64. I'm going to do one more. You can do the rest now that you know how to do it. Config terminal. All right. Interface. I'm going to do interface.30. Right. Pops in. Description. VLAN 30. Now I should have gone 20, but I'm out of order, but that's okay. All right. And then I put the IP address in. In the video we do subnetting, we're going to write a little chart about all 4 gateways. So we're going to end up with 4 networks and with 4 different gateways, and we're going to assign a gateway address to each one of these. Okay? So stay tuned. That's how to create sub interfaces.